Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.6 on Oracle Linux 9. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to mysql.com. It is the official website. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.6. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system, Red Hat or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version 9. Because I am on Oracle Linux 9. Select it. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. Click on download. Then click on no thanks. Just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 907 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter this star file and we will install RPM packages. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, CD downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.4.6 star file. We have to enter it tar-except, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps star.rpm. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. If you don't give the D, it won't work. We have to give MySQL D. See, MySQL server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started. Okay, Q to git control A. Now connect to MySQL server. But to connect to MySQL server, we must have the password of the root account or any MySQL user account. But we can get the MySQL user temporary root account by grepping to sudo more/var log mysqld dot log #grep password. See, this is the temporary password for the root account. Now set the permanent password for root account. Sudo mysql _secure installation. Now copy this temporary password, paste it, hit enter. Now set the permanent password. Confirm the same. We have successfully set the password. Do you want to change password? No. Again, remove anonymous users. Yes. Disallow. No. Remove test database. Yes. Reload privileges. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of this root account that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4.6. Now we can also verify by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create. Verify the same. See, you have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Now verify list of tables in this database. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. See, we have created table customer. Okay, now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these users. Okay, now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users. So users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Okay, now create user. Create user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Hit enter. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of this user. Sorry, it is Control C. MySQL-u, new username is David, not the root. Hit enter. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. So provide it. Now try to access the tab. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.4.6 on Oracle Linux 9. Okay, sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is stopped. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is restarted 2 seconds ago. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line command. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL workbench or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Oracle Linux. Okay, we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.6 on Oracle Linux 9. ls, these files are not recorded anymore, so remove them to clear the space. rm start.rpm. This command will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. ls, see here we have one more file, remove it. rm MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.4.6 on Oracle Linux 9. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.